Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a Lamborghini Huracan to GTA 5. First, you'll need to understand that this process involves third-party modifications, often called mods, which can alter your game files. We'll cover finding reliable sources for these mods and the essential tools required for installation, ensuring you can cruise Los Santos in style. Remember, always proceed with caution when modifying game files. Finding a good Lamborghini Huracan mod is your first step. Head to well-known GTA 5 modding communities online. These sites often host a wide selection of vehicle modifications. Always check the mod's description for compatibility with your game version and look for positive feedback from other users. A high-quality mod will usually have clear installation instructions and a good reputation within the community. OpenRoman4 is the primary tool for installing most GTA 5 vehicle mods. After downloading and installing it, always create a mods folder in your main Grand Theft Auto 5 directory. This keeps your original game files safe. Within OpenRoman4, you'll navigate to specific game archives, typically in the Update folder, to replace or add the Huracan's files. Follow the mod's included instructions precisely for a smooth installation. Once you've added the Huracan files using OpenRoman4, it's crucial to rebuild the game's archives. This step ensures your changes are properly integrated. Then, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and test out your new ride. Many players use an in-game trainer to quickly spawn custom vehicles. If you encounter any problems, double-check the mod's installation guide or consult online forums for solutions. Enjoy cruising in your new Lamborghini.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.